Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. So two dices are tossed once. The probability of getting an even number at the first die or a total of 8 is. So two dices are tossed once. So when one dice is tossed, the number of possible cases are 6 because we can get the numbers from 1 to 6. And when two dices are tossed, the total number of cases will become 6 into 6 because we can get 6 values in the first case, or we can get any one of the 6 values in the second case. So total number of cases will be 36. So our denominator will be 36 for the probability. Now probability of getting an even number at the first die or a total of 8. Let's start with a total of 8. So to get a total of 8, we can get the following cases. Get a 2 in the first dice and 6 in the second dice, or 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, or 6, 2. So to get a total of 8, there are 5 possible cases. Now let's see what are the options when we have even number in the first dice, right? So if we have even number in the first dice, then we can have 2 in the first dice and any one of the 6 numbers from the second dice, right? So we have 6 possible cases here. So it can be 2, 1, 2, 2, all the way till 2, 6. The same goes with getting a 4 in the first die. So we again have 6 cases. And when we have 6 in the first die, again we have 6 cases. Now there's a trap here, right? So if you look at sum of all these values, this are 6 plus 6 plus 6, also 18 cases. Plus we have 5 other cases, right? So in total, we can have 23 cases. And you could have easily marked option number E, which is also available to you, right? Where you could have said the probability is number of favorable outcomes, which is 23, divided by total number of outcomes, which is 36. But that would be incorrect. Why? Because we are double counting some of the options. So if you look at 2, 6, we have an even number in the first die, right? And we are counting that double over here. Similarly, 4, 4, we are counting that double over here. And similarly, 6, 2, we are counting that double over here. So 3 out of these 23 cases we're actually double counting. So total number of cases will actually be 23 minus 3 or equal to 20. So our probability will be 20 divided by 36 and answer will be option number B. So do make sure that you're not falling in those kind of traps where you are double counting some of the options. Now, if you want to master the concepts of probability of rolling a dice, do check out the video provided in the description of this video, where I teach you the concepts of the probability from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.